We always hear the words, focus on yourself, love yourself, be proud of yourself. You are enough. Love your flaws, love your imperfections, appreciate yourself. All of these are great affirmations. And then we look at social media. And then we look at Instagram. And then we see everyone having so many likes, so many comments. And you don't have any. Or you have a few. And then there goes your self-esteem. In a few seconds, your self-esteem is down the drain. Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Jackie D and my goal is to empower you, to help you build your self-esteem through staying healthy, and that includes your mental health. So here are the reasons why our self-esteem is affected by social media. Number one, comparison. If we start comparing ourselves with whoever is on social media, that's a recipe for disaster. First of all, there are many different circumstances, like maybe she has so many followers. Maybe she's been there for 10 years and you're just starting. We all have different niches. We all have different resources. You have your own goals. If you're going on social media because you want to have followers or simply because you want to be famous, then I think you're setting up yourself for failure. Because social media is a platform. You have a purpose why you're on social media. You want information, you want to stay updated, or you want to share your story, or you want to inspire other people, or you have some information that you can really give away. So people who follow us are people who find our content useful. Don't feel bad if someone follows you and unfollows you because maybe they realize that, hey, I thought this was something that was going to be valuable to me. It's nothing personal. So think about that. When you're going on social media, it's because you have a purpose and not because you want to get followers. Because then that relates to self-esteem. And then that way you don't feel so bad if you don't have many followers. I've seen many people who cancel their Instagram accounts or who close their Facebook profiles simply because social media has become so overwhelming and has caused anxiety or depression. And that is true. But these are the times now, and social media is very important. In fact, for business, back in my time, you would knock on doors. You would send out flyers. We would stick out flyers in wipers of the car. So that was old school. Now you have to promote your business on social media. So social media is important. It has its benefits and it has its disadvantages. Just watch out that social media doesn't bring you down that rabbit hole where you keep finding what you're looking for. But actually, what you're looking for is right there, right in front of you. Just look at your mirror, because you are your main focus. If you're scrolling through Instagram, you're scrolling through Facebook, and it's starting to make you feel bad about yourself, stop right there. Pause and take a break. A few months ago, Instagram has introduced Take a Break, and that is really good because it reminds you to take a break after you've been on social media for a long time. It really depends on why you're using social media, but you gotta have some control, and that way you don't burn out and you don't get overwhelmed. Social media is here to stay. Enjoy the ride. Cope. If it's causing you negativity, stop right there and take a little break and breathe and relax. Remember, nothing should be personal. If there's anyone who's out there and very successful, I tell you, they're not out there to take you down. They're out there to share their story, and hopefully they can inspire someone like you to also be the best that you can be. If you look at every social media post from that point of view, then you're not going to feel inadequate. Like in an ocean, we have to swim. We can't sink. In this technology, social media is the ocean. There's enough space for every fish in the ocean. You are one fish. I'm one fish. We can definitely swim. Learn from those you look up to and be amazing in your own right. If you think this video is helpful, don't forget to smash the like button. If you think you like my hair, let me know. And comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. Life is beautiful. Life is something that we need to enjoy. And there's just so many things that we can enjoy if we have the right mindset. I will see you next week. Bye for now.